Hi everyone, it's Kim from Affordably Crafty, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, spoiler warning, of the Annie's Crochet Club for the month of July 2020. So if you're new here, my name's Kim, and my channel is all about learning how to stretch your craft dollar by being affordably crafty. If that's something you're interested in learning more about, please like this video, subscribe, and share with your friends so they can learn how to stretch their craft dollar too. So, all I did was cut this. Now, Annie's up until this point has been my second favorite kit after Mary Maxim. I recently did a side-by-side comparison of 5 different kits. I'll leave that link down below in the description box if you want to learn more about some different kits. So let's get into this. This is one of the ones that still comes in a bubble mailer every month. I'm going to pull this out. Oh. Oh, okay. So this is the first time that this has come with like a chunkier yarn. I like the color though. Hold on, I gotta open this bag. Sorry, I just had to open the bag. So one of the good things about Annie's is that it's a hook and needle club. So it's good if you're a crocheter or a knitter, or if you're by crafting, means you crochet and knit. And they have been one of the clubs that has still continued to give a pattern booklet, which I really appreciate. I don't like when I have to go online and print something or download it, because I just feel like ink is expensive and it's just one more step that I really don't want to deal with. And usually when I'm crocheting, I don't have the luxury of having my laptop or whatever near me, because I have small kids and they'll just destroy it. You know what I'm saying, moms? So I like the booklet. So this month, I'm actually really excited to make this, is nesting stash baskets. And there appears to be 3 different sizes. This is the crochet one. I really like how these look. I appreciate functional crochet. Home items are probably one of my top 3 kinds of crochet to make. Right up there with Afghans and I'm going to say unusual items. Then the knit baskets look like, let me show you a picture of the knit baskets, hold on. The knit baskets look a little bit different. They look like that. That's what the knit baskets look like. So apparently they give you enough yarn to make 3. Let's see if it says anything in the booklet about it. The crochet is a easy skill level, and the knit is I like that they put ratings on them too, is also an easy. So this says, forget that. Alright, so they gave us 3 different colors of yarn. And this is the first one. And it's a bulky 5, which I'm excited about because I like most to work with 4, 5, or 6 weight. 25% wool, 75% acrylic. 3.5 ounces and 143 yards. It doesn't have a color on it, but let's say aqua. Aqua. It's actually pretty soft. And yeah, it's actually pretty soft. It's nice and flexible. It's not rough. So that's the aqua. And then the next one is the same size, 143 yards. And this one is like a taupe color. Same exact kind of yarn, 5 bulky. No names on it, but it is cool, machine wash, gentle. Tumble dry, gentle, low heat. Do not bleach, do not iron. And then this one looks like they gave you a little bit more. So these have 143 yards each. This one has 160 yards. Same fiber content. This is like a red, not like a Santa Claus red. It's got a little bit more of a, I'd say it's like a cranberry. Good New England color there. It's like a cranberry. So of these three colors, I definitely like the cranberry the best. But I don't hate any of them, so that's awesome. And I like the fact that this is very functional. So my first Annie's kit was like a bathroom set that had or kitchen set that had like dishcloths, dish towel, and I can't remember the other thing that was in there. It was very functional. Then my next Annie's kit was a wearable, which was really nice. And then now they've gone back to home, which is cool. I think when I signed up for Annie's, it asked you what you like to make. And I know I definitely chose home as one of my top things. I think that was this kit. I'm pretty sure that was this kit. Anyways, I'm still being pretty happy with Annie's. And I think it is like, how much is it? Hold on, let me grab my bill. So this company runs specials on your first kit you get. But this was $19.99 for the kit, $5.95 shipping and handling. Sorry, shipping and processing, $125 sales tax for a total of $27.19. I still think it's kind of reasonable. I just really like these kits, and I find that there is a good amount of functionality in it too. Because currently I'm trying to do some organization in my crafting area, so this will be helpful for that. And I find home items, I just enjoy making them because I feel like it helps me with organization. So again, I am happy with this Annie's, and yeah, I'm gonna definitely be making these this month. I'm really happy about this. Let me know if you subscribe to Annie's, any of their clubs. I think they have a Caring Crochet Club. I think they have a couple others. I know they have some Afghan clubs. Let me know what you guys think and what you think of this kit, and if you're a fan of these nesting baskets. And I will see you next time here. Have a creative day. Bye, guys.